What started as an empty home became a fully designed home through smart and intentional planning. This is one of our clients' space before the design, clean and bright, with generous windows and floor area, but it still lacks furniture and layering elements. The goal was to bring the homeowner's vision to life while refining the layout into a more functional and balanced outcome. This project reflects a modern contemporary luxury interior design style, combining clean lines, rich materials, and strong focal points to achieve a refined yet livable home. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. This is what the living area looked like before the design. There was no focal point, no furniture in place, and the exposed bulbs made the ceiling feel unfinished and temporary. If you are starting with a similar blank space, you might also consider establishing structure first before adding decorative elements. Let's look at the base finishes. The ceiling remained flat and clean, but the exposed bulbs were removed. The warm white wall paint was maintained to keep the space bright, while large format tiled flooring was selected to make the room feel more open and expansive. Now, moving on to the furniture pieces, starting with the main seating area. If you have an open plan, an L-shaped upholstered sofa helps direct attention toward the focal wall while keeping circulation smooth. Layered throw pillows were added to soften the sofa and introduce texture. At the center, you can place a marble-top coffee table, which gives you a surface to place items while relaxing. Its marble texture adds elegance to the seating area. Underneath, the textured area rug frames the seating group. If your flooring feels too hard or cold, adding a rug is one of the simplest upgrades you can make. Beside the sofa, the marble side table provides a functional surface for drinks or accent decor. You can add an accent ottoman that you can easily move around depending on how you use the space. For styling accents, a pedestal stand with a large decorative vase was positioned behind the sofa to create vertical emphasis and visual balance. A large wall mirror with slim-mounted sconces was incorporated to reflect light and create a warm glow in the evenings. On one wall, a set of neutral-framed wall art was selected to introduce personality. For layered lighting, you can add a fabric shade floor lamp to provide additional task lighting. Then, overhead, a modern pendant light upgrades the ceiling and becomes a subtle statement feature while bringing general lighting to the living area. Meanwhile, for natural lighting, neutral fabric Roman blinds were installed to provide structured light control. Paired with them are full-height textured curtains on a matte black curtain rod, adding softness, warmth, and contrast that frame the windows elegantly. Now, moving to the entertainment area. You might choose a black marble TV feature wall, which establishes a bold focal point. Introducing one strong accent material can dramatically elevate the design. A low, warm wood TV console with integrated electric fireplace was added. This integrates storage while enhancing the luxury feel and making the space more inviting at night. You can centrally mount your smart TV, aligned with the sofa for optimal viewing. Also, minimal decor and a drum shade table lamp on the console complete the styling without overcrowding the focal wall. The living area now feels structured and cohesive, with a clear focal point, layered lighting, and balanced materials. The estimated total cost ranges around $4,600 to $4,800, depending on materials. Similar furniture pieces are linked in the product tags below. For this dining area, the homeowner wanted a space where they can gather and eat while having a strong center point and properly layered. Starting at the center of the space, you can place a solid wood rectangular dining table with enough walking space around it. It establishes the area as its own functional zone, and its natural wood finish introduces warmth. Surrounding it are the modern dining chairs in a warm brown tone. These soften the clean architectural lines, and if you look closely, you'll notice how the color connects with the table. To visually define the space from above, the statement "round chandelier" was installed, which was personally requested by the client. In open layouts, you can use lighting like this to clearly mark a zone without partitions. At the back wall, a dark sideboard cabinet was positioned for both storage and balance. It keeps dining essentials organized while grounding the wall visually. On top of it, 2 drum shade table lamps and decorative objects were placed to add personality and warmth. On the side wall, a large decorative vase on a pedestal stand was also added, similar to the living area, filling the corner with intention. Another similar item used here is the neutral framed wall art, creating a cohesive styling piece from one area to another. Also, fabric Roman blinds and full-height textured curtains continue in this area, framing the windows and softening the overall look. So now, this dining area feels defined and balanced. It functions as its own elegant zone within the open layout. The estimated total cost for the dining area ranges around $2,600 to $2,900, depending on the materials used. If you have a similar extra area in your home, you might also consider turning it into a secondary seating zone instead of leaving it empty or unused. Let's first discuss the wall treatment that defines this lounge area. On the feature wall, a large-scale mural wallpaper was installed, personally requested by the homeowner to create a bold artistic statement in this corner. You can now place the furniture pieces, starting with 4 curved lounge chairs in rich brown fabric to form an intimate conversation area. At the center, a nesting coffee table with gold legs anchors the seating cluster. The overlapping forms add depth, and it has enough surface area to place items, especially when you are hosting guests or gatherings. Beside the chairs, marble-top side tables provide practical surfaces for drinks or decor like this flower vase. Above, a modern geometric pendant light was installed. Its linear gold frame complements the metallic accents in the space while providing balanced ambient lighting. You chose a round low-pile rug to properly anchor the seating arrangement. It also softens the hard flooring, absorbs sound, and makes the seating area feel warmer and more intimate. To give this lounge added warmth and function, a compact console with an integrated electric fireplace was positioned against the window wall. It also creates a cozy focal point for this seating area. On the top surface, 2 table lamps were placed on each side to create balanced lighting and symmetry. Between them, audio speakers were arranged neatly to keep the surface functional yet styled. An indoor plant was added beside the console to introduce a natural element and soften the structured furniture lines. On the adjacent wall, a large-scale wall art piece strengthens the artistic identity of this lounge zone. For the windows, fabric Roman blinds with a clean top valance detail were installed to maintain a tailored and structured look. Now, instead of wasted space, it becomes a quiet retreat within the home. The estimated total cost for the lounge area ranges around $2,800 to $3,000. This project shows how an empty space can become structured, refined, and fully functional home. Each zone was carefully defined, every material layered with intention, and every focal point designed to work together, not just visually, but functionally. This is what modern contemporary luxury truly means: thoughtful planning that transforms space into experience. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.